Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday morning and I'm about to start brunch for the kids, Chris and I. We're just gonna have like my go-to favorite brunch, all of our favorite brunch, bacon, over easy eggs and biscuits. So I'm getting all that started, but I'm also gonna be making a strawberry blueberry tart for Memorial Day. We're going to be going over my brother's and his girlfriend's house, and they are, doing like a little barbecue, but I'm gonna bring corn on the cob and this tart. I think my parents are bringing some goodies too, so I'll be sure to film when we go later on this afternoon after we drop off the kiddos. But both of the dogs, let me see if I can capture them. Both of the dogs have bones right now. Oh, there she is. See her right there? That's Lucy. So both of the dogs are preoccupied with bully sticks right now because mama needs to cook in the kitchen and the kids are upstairs doing their own thing. So I'm gonna show you, not brunch, but probably the tart. So I totally forgot to show you guys me mixing the dough, but it was super simple. It's just a 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. So it was 1 1/3 cup flour, a 1/2 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated salt, and then 10 tablespoons of melted butter. And then I pressed it firmly, just with my fingers into this pie plate. Now it is a tart. I don't have a tart pan, so I'm using a pie plate, but totally can use a tart pan with a removable bottom. Hopefully this works out for me. Obviously I scored it a lot with a fork just now, and now I'm gonna pop it in the oven. It's already preheated at 350, and it's gonna go in for 15 to 20 minutes and until it's golden brown. Preparing the filling right now, and I just did the zesting of the lemon, as you can see. Destroyed, and half of this lemon because this was a big Mama Jamma lemon from my aunt's tree. So I did half of a lemon juice, the zest. There's 2 things of cream cheese, and then also a 1/2 cup of sugar again, granulated sugar. Pretty sure. Oh, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna list the recipe down below for you guys, but this is what it looks like all blended. Then I've got to fold in the whipped topping, the whipped cream, and then once the crust is done baking and cooled, this will then go inside and chill and set, and then I will be arranging the strawberries. So while everything's baking in the oven, I'm gonna put this in the fridge and start cutting up the strawberries. Watching the 4th playoff game and finishing up the filling. It's like a very lemony, cheesecakey, fluffy filling. And sliced strawberries. Got the corn almost started. And still got my pal waiting for some scraps, so. Holy moly. Holy. Okay, we got the Mexican caviar that we love, some chicken wings, pulled pork, corn that we brought. Mom brought 5 things instead of 2 like she was supposed to, so they also brought beans. Got some hamburgers. Oh, what are these? Holy moly. Look at that action. Heck yes. And also she has super cute decorations. I gotta show it off. Look at those. Alright, so it's Monday, Memorial Day. Very natural makeup today. I have just this on for now. Like my little, I don't know, just like around the house dress for right now. And then I just have a baseball cap on because I didn't want to do my hair, to be honest. But I did really natural makeup. So I just wanted to say, of course, Memorial Day is about honoring those who have fought for our country and fallen, fighting for our freedoms. And I always want to remember and speak of that because that's so important. And I don't know if it's spoken of enough. These days I want the youth of America to remember and, learn from our past and our present, So anyways, I just thought it was important to mention that. But yesterday we had that barbecue with my parents and Brian and Haley. It was actually at my brother's house, and oh my gosh, everything was so delicious. And luckily we have leftovers for probably the entire week because we cooked way too much. But it was so delicious, and the tart, like the dessert that I made, ended up coming out really good. It was very like light and fluffy from the whipped topping that gets folded in, and the lemon really came through, and it paired really well with the fruit. So I definitely suggest trying that recipe. It was delicious, really good summer recipe, and I feel like it impresses because of how beautiful it looks with how the strawberries are arranged, and it's so easy to do. So I definitely suggest that, and I'll link it down below. Happy Monday. So don't mind my like slicked back bun today. I woke up too late. I had every intention of washing my hair this morning, and then I made my hair look worse because I put gel in it. So now I feel like it looks greasy, and it wasn't even greasy. We've all had those mornings, yes? So I actually came on here to tell you guys that Chris and I went and saw A Quiet Place 2 in theaters, and we went to the Alamo Theater, which is like a reclining theater that serves food. So we got to have like some, you know, what did we have? Popcorn and mozzarella sticks because we didn't eat lunch or anything. That was just like our meal. And it was actually really good. It was super suspenseful, still just as much as the first one. It wasn't as quiet as the first one because they had parts where they were able to have conversation and not whisper and like just sign to each other kind of thing. So I thought that was interesting, but it was worth going to see. I still think it is so much better to see it on the big screen when it comes to movies. I don't know if that makes me old school now or what, because now all these movies are coming out through, you know, Netflix and Hulu and Disney Plus, and then they're releasing them in theaters also, but also for at home. And it's just not the same at home. I think for me to make it the same, we'd probably have to get like surround sound, and our TV have to be huge. And I mean, our TV is huge, but it's just I don't know, going to the movies, it's just like a different feeling than being at home and watching a movie. Anybody else feel that way? So I really want to see both me and Chris really want to see the new Fast and the Furious movie in theaters, because there is nothing like seeing that kind of movie in theaters with like how the sound is and everything. It just makes it so much more exciting, and I love it. So we might end up seeing that this week, but we had so much fun with the kids over the weekend too. I always try not to vlog too much during that time to spend time with them, but also they're teenagers, so they're not going to really want to be on camera too often, even though Gavin does really love YouTube still. But what did we do? I made them dinner on Saturday night, and we ate dinner all together on Friday night too. We watched a movie together. We watched Iron Man because we're restarting the entire Marvel series. Oh my God.
That's real.
We're not even in halftime. This is game number 5, by the way. We're 2-2 right now. Hi guys, I just wanted to come on here and say a quick hi. It is Wednesday. I have a really long full day at work. We didn't have the puppy at work yesterday, and it was so nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's so nice having the puppies at the office. Don't get me wrong. I love dogs so much, but the puppy is so much work, and it feels like I get half the amount of work that I used to get done sometimes. So it was like she wasn't at work, so I got so much done yesterday. It was awesome. But today we have a really packed day and the puppies, so I have a feeling it's gonna be a long one.
Bitches!
Now what you got to say is all I gotta say.
Bring on Denver!
What you gotta say? Bye.
Hey guys, it's Friday, and I just got home from work. Holly is next to me if you hear some crunching. She's eating one of her bully sticks. Going to town on it. I wanted to share my dress. I'm going to get up and show you it in my long mirror so you can see the whole thing. I wore it all day at work, and I'm going to wear it tonight. We're going on like a double date with Jennifer and her husband. I work with her once a week when we're at our Gilbert location. She actually works for another doctor that like we share an office on Wednesdays when we're at the Gilbert location. So we've become closer because we talk every single week while we're there all day pretty much. And she's such a sweet person. So when we've been talking, we've noticed that there are a lot of similarities. So when we've been talking throughout, you know, the time that I've known her, it's apparent that our husbands are very similar. Well, hello. Hi. We thought it would be fun to go on a double date. So we're going to go to Texas Roadhouse tonight, which is kind of like a steak joint. I'm pretty sure they're in a lot of states other than Arizona. Also, I've been wearing this lip combo or something similar all week, and they are the Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks. And I'll actually insert a clip of when I wore both of these together with the gloss. But today I just used Bombshell, which is this shade here, which is a little bit lighter and does have a little bit more coral in it. Both of them kind of do. This one's just darker, and this one is in Trendsetter. And then the gloss is from Kevyn Aucoin, and it has this gorgeous glowy effect to it. Slightly metallic, but nothing crazy. And this one is called the Molten Lip in Rose Gold. And I'm pretty sure Emmy Loves Makeup on Instagram, my friend, I'm pretty sure she got me this. I'm pretty sure. And it's gorgeous. I just had to pull it back out again. It just gave me summer vibes. So now I'm gonna show you the dress, and maybe I'll be able to film a little when we are at dinner, but I'm not 100%. Also, my empties bin is overflowing almost. So I think I'm gonna have to film a mega empties for you guys very soon. So be on the lookout for that. So here is the dress from Amazon, and it does come in a bunch of different shades, but I absolutely loved the blue, like the soft light baby blue with the pink flowers. You see that? I totally want to get this in every color now because it is so comfortable and so girly and cute for the summer. So it has, you can kind of see the sun. So it's kind of see-through, but it does have a secondary layer, but the layer is shorter. So it goes to about right here on me, but you can see it's nice and long and flowy. Might be a little wrinkled by now because I've been wearing it all day, but it's very, very cute. And the bubble sleeves aren't too crazy. All right, off to double date night. This hot stuff right here. What was that adjustment? Like, just trying to look smoother?
Well, I just saw myself on the camera, and I want, you know, like I wasn't prepared.
I just told you I'm gonna vlog. Not prepared. How much more preparing do you need than that?
I
am kind of curious.
I get distracted by how pretty you are.
Oh, okay. If it's just that, then all good. Anyways, I think I told you guys earlier we're going to Texas Roadhouse.
Steak!
Scared me. What was I even gonna say? You like scared even the thought out of my brain.
We're going to Texas Roadhouse on a double date.
Which I haven't been there in a while, that's what I was gonna say. My mom and I are at Joann's, and look at this. My dog is my doorbell. So true. But this is cute too, this mat. They have a lot of like cute little grilling 4th of July things, and it's a little picked over, but they have some cute doggy stuff I wanted to show you guys. Look at how cute this is.
These are nice.
For 4th of July.
Picnics.
Oh yeah, to like organize the forks and everything. Masks are optional if you're vaccinated, which we are, so that's why she doesn't have a mask on. Don't mind the no makeup, and I haven't wiped off some of the mascara left from last night, but I'm trying on some dresses because I'm going to be going to a family wedding in, I believe, a week. Oh my gosh, I think it's in a week. So I decided to just rent some dresses from renttherunway.com again because I actually really liked their stuff, and no, this is not sponsored. I did it on my own, and I really love this dress, and so does Chris. He said this is his favorite, but I've only tried on one. So we'll see if he likes the other ones too, but I do really like the bottom part of this too. Oh, you like it too? Yeah? Good girl. Fits nice, but I'm gonna try on the other one still, but I think this one is definitely a contender. So I do like the ruffle detail here. It is a little snug on my hips, but if I wore a Spanx or like an undergarment, I think it would be fine. It's pretty otherwise. Do really like it. But the straps are gonna be annoying, so I think I would just wear it strapped.